My name is Sakile Patience Dube, and I'm residing in Johannesburg, South Africa. I've joined MMM in July this year. MMM stands for Mavrodi Mondial Movement. It was established by Sergio Mavrodi in 2011 at Moscow, Russia, and it reached South African borders early this year. The program has also spread to over 108 countries worldwide. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange, where participants benefit equally. It's also a global financial program that connects the person who wants money to the one who wants to get money. It's not a company, so participants donate money directly to each other's bank accounts, since there is no central bank account. There is a trust relationship between partners. As members of the program, we donate money when we have the opportunity and ask for help when there is really need. All participants get 10% referral bonuses from all members they have invited, though nobody forces participants to invite people. But at the same time, community members must understand that the program can't exist without development. MMM gives you an opportunity to be a manager if you want to, and the bonuses are awesome. No qualifications are required. You get trained on how to register participants and also on the online currency called Bitcoins that can be used anywhere in the world. The program has helped many people in the community and it still continues to do so. Thank you, Mavrodi, for giving us an opportunity. MMM, together we can change the world.